It's annoying. You're just like, you can't take it anymore. Here's what you do. Okay, get the little clicker. Alright, let's say you've got a Lincoln Aviator. Your alarm's lock that puppy down with a key. Now the alarm is not going to go off. And you can shop in peace or do whatever you need. God bless you, Ford. You've down before bed with this. I want to divorce. Alright, let's say you've got a notification. This is the lock button, the unlock button, and the panic button. Here's your panic button. Right? Unlock.